I'm so attracted to bright colors right now. It really must be the spring springing in me. I am just absolutely interested in bright pinks, bright yellows. I just want to see what happens. I feel like I haven't made a really colorful and movement-filled sky like this, especially on a larger painting, in a year. And I just got bitten by the bug this weekend. I want to make beautiful, beautiful scenes with bright, colorful sunsets. And I think I really achieved it on this piece. And because it's a little bit larger, I wouldn't say trouble, but I was like, how do I want these mountains to be? How do I want to do this? That's me adding an extra layer in the way back. And I kind of was just enjoying letting the shapes be what they wanted to be and seeing where it went, because I really was not sure as I was creating this piece. More and more dark layers getting closer and closer. That sky just makes me want to exhale. I love it so much. And then the tree line, we've got some sort of forest pine trees up close. And then we've got another layer that's even closer with more trees. I can't believe that I have the patience to add so many little dots. This painting took me quite a while, but I've managed to cut it down to just a couple of minutes to give you an idea. And here's that tree that appears in the foreground. And then I'm going to use a cutout to create my moon. And then here we go, adding a few more layers. And then when it's done, it's a magical world that I would love to live in.